Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you. Sorry about the lighting up front. It is kind of almost midday. It's like an hour to midday, and so the light is really harsh right now, but I have to film now or I'm not going to be able to because I work during the week and I can't film during the week. So let's get right into the unboxing. Oh, Easter! Cute! Alright, April. Alright, so this is the April box for this Kawaii Box Easter. This is cute. Alright, I'll put that aside. And I'll put that aside. And let's just see what we've got. Okay. Squishy. Oh no, it's not a squishy. I always assume when I see these now, I'm like, oh, squishy. Because I'm not really huge on squishies personally. But I love plushies. Plushies are way more my thing. Oh, she's so cute. And, oh, these are snacks. Okay, like Mickey Mouse. Oh, okay. Now I can't remember the name, but I actually eat them every now and then, not too often because I'm trying not to be too unhealthy, but you can get like little bunny or bear versions at the Asian grocery store, and I love white chocolate, like that's my favorite, so I usually buy those from this, but this is basically the same concept. It's like biscuit with chocolate in the center. It's so delicious. It's so yum. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this to work so I can eat it this week. I feel like this must be an ice cream pen, but like, look how intricate the top is. It is quite a pen. This like literally, I'm trying to make sure I'm not in the sun so you can see it. Can you guys, I'm just blocking the sun so you can have a better look, but look at the cream on the top. It looks so real. That is cool. And yeah, I think this is just a black gel pen. I think if I don't have any other pens, I'm probably not going to test this out because I'm pretty sure you guys know what black gel pens are like. This is what I would categorize as kind of a more like gimmicky pen. Like, you know, there's lots of pens that just look super cute, very gimmicky, not very practical. I mean, I can't imagine sitting in a meeting room with this, with a bunch of like executives, but I also think that would be hilarious. So we have some hair clips. These are really cute. Low-key, I might actually use these. Even though I feel like they look quite young, I would still totally use them because they are adorable. I think I just need an outfit that matches on the day. And oh, this is like a keychain, but it kind of looks a lot like the ice cream that I had here. Let me open this up. Yeah, it's literally like a cup of cream or a cup of ice cream with all sorts of beautiful little fruits in them, and then you can just dangle it like that. Oh, Chip and Dale. I mean, I grew up with Disney, so I know the characters and I love it. I just blocked some of the light so that shard was really interfering. But yeah, lined, not lined. This is so cute. And what's this? This is like bling bling lipstick. Oh, okay. This is kind of like a wax pen. That's what the thing says. This is a draw on me. I think you can use it like a highlighter, but it's like a waxy highlighter. So hopefully it doesn't bleed through. And I think it's a twist, is it twist top? Is it twisting? I'm not sure. Am I doing this right? Am I not breaking it? I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, you can twist it up. That's kind of cool. And there's no smell. I just had to smell. For some reason, I just think it looks like lime. Like it's gonna smell like lime. But it looks like a lipstick. This is so like, I think not too long back, I got this one. I think it was from Kawaii, the last box. It was like a lipstick eraser. I haven't used it yet, but it's sitting on my desk to be used. So I'm getting all this like makeup looking stationery for different purposes. That's kind of cool. I want to try that. And what is this? Oh. Okay. It kind of like, when I saw it, I was like, is this for jewelry? But I think this is actually for nail, like nail deco. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's for nail deco. It's all in Korean, and the only English thing says Friends Various Decorative Sets. See, I'm pretty sure you can get these at like in the, oh yeah, it says nail cubic. You can get these in like the kids section in even places like Kmart, similar things that you can deco like little craft kits. But I've been so into nail art lately that I actually want to use all these, like, oh, look, I can't even talk. Look at all like little kitten and apple and lime. Like you could go way ham with this and create some amazing designs. I think the biggest problem I have is my ability. I am limited by my own not so great nail art ability. But I love that I'm through these kits, even though these kits are meant for me more like stationary. I've been getting a lot of awesome nail art stuff that I actually have been using. Like my nails are pretty plain right now, but sometimes I'll have a week where I'll have a bit more time to really go ham on my nails, and I'm so excited, guys. I can't express it. I'm just so excited. Okay, moving right along, we have, oh, paper clips. Meow, paper clips. So little kitten paper clips. And then, so this is jewelry seal stickers. So they're stickers, but they're like literally, can you see how raised they are? They're like jewels. When I was in primary school, I really wanted to get my ears pierced. I still don't have my ears pierced because now I'm too scared to do them. But as a kid, I really wanted them pierced because all the girls were wearing earrings. So what I would do is I would get stickers like this and put them on my ears and go to school with them, thinking that I looked really cool. Thing is, a lot of people thought my ears were pierced, but I think a lot of people also thought this girl was crazy, walking around with stickers on her face, or face ears essentially. But this is what it reminds me of. And that is pretty much it. That is everything in this month's Kawaii Box unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually really like this one. I think last month I was a bit on, but I actually am really loving this. Especially, like, I can't get over this. I know it's so juvenile, but I love it. Like, I'm so obsessed. So let me know which item is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.